Methodology. Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. So today we're going to talk about the methodology, or what methods provide the best case scenarios for repairs of foundation repair or foundation problems. So it ultimately boils down to each home's, each properties, each structure's individual problems. Everyone's going to be different. Yeah, some of them are going to overlap in regards to the repair methods or the methodology behind it, but ultimately that's why you have specialists or engineers come out, evaluate the property, and diagnose it to that structure's individual problem or situation that's having. So that's why it's so important to get a hold of us. We work with a great team of engineers, not just one or two, but 5 to 10, that can help diagnose the problems that our crews go out and take a look at. So think about that the next time that you're hesitant in calling out a foundation repair specialist. We promise to give you the correct and accurate information that is happening with your building as is. So nothing to fear, and pick up the phone, shoot us an email, text, whatever you want to do, and we'd be glad to help you. That's your foundation repair tip of the day.